Good morning everyone, welcome back to our online study. So in this video we are going to study about our listening book. Here is the listening book. So I hope you got the book from any campus of your school. Well, so today we would go to our chapter 3, which is about the science. Do you love science? Good. So in this chapter 3 we would go to our lesson 11. As we can see, our title is about a seed bank. Do you know what is seed bank? It's so strange, right? It's so strange, right? When you heard the word seed and the word bank. Usually people know the word bank is referred to the place that we can put our money or the valuable thing in or add there, right? But actually in this, we are going to talk about a seed bank is referred to the place that we can put the seed into the safety place. Get it? Or you can say a place that you can store any diversity of the plants. Okay? Well, in today's video we will cover with two pages. First page on page 47 and page 48. As you can see here, I also wrote it down on the whiteboard. So please open your book on page 47 together, please. Are you ready? Okay, so on page 47, as we can see in our pictures in here, what can you see? Of course, the plants, right? As you can see, there are 3 plants are growing on the soil or on the land. Well, let me ask you one question. Do you know what are the importance of the plants? Why plants are really important? Can you tell me the answer? Well, so we will go to the importance of the plants. So first, plant give us food, right? So of course, plants always produce food to the animals. Also, plants also produce food to the people, as we are the human being, right? Well, so this is the importance of plants, because plant also provides us or also benefit us the food for the animals and for us as we are the human being. And one more thing is plant also provide us the air. Do you know plants produce the oxygen and it absorbs the carbon dioxide, right? Well, so people need the oxygen to breathe in and breathe out, right? But for the plant, they need to absorb the carbon dioxide into themselves and then they release the oxygen. So this is why plants really important to us as in the daily life. Well, so plant also give the habitat. What is habitat, everyone? Habitat is referred to the place that people or animal live, right? So of course, plant also give us the habitat. Well, when the plants grow up higher, when the plants growing up or when the plant grew up, so it can give us the wood to make the house, maybe like this. But for the animals also stay in the forest for their living. So this is the plant also show us or benefit us the habitat. Next, the food also benefit us about the climate. As we can see nowadays, our climate in each country is getting worse and worse because of what? Because of people nowadays. Some of the people, they destroy the plant for their needs. So that's why the plants nowadays cannot produce the oxygen to the air or to make our city or our country clean. But if we have a lot of plants in each country, it can be, make our climate become better and better, because plants also attract the rains, right, to make our country clean. Get it, everyone? So, well, plants also benefit us medicine. Actually, most of the medicine are from the plants. Some plants, some plant or some tree, they give the scientists for extracting the element of each plant to make it into the medicine. Well, so today, as I mentioned already about there are many advantages of the plants, or there are many reasons why plants are really important. Well, so we would go to our keywords here on the whiteboard. As you can see, we have 5 of the keywords. So first one is we say disappear, disappear. Repeat please, disappear. The meaning of the word disappear is to leave and not be seen again. Example, you can say scientists worry that some plants could disappear from the earth. Number 2, damaged, damaged, damaged. Remember, this is in the past form. Get it? Damaged. But in the present form, you can say D-A-M-A-G and A, damaged. Get it? The meaning, let's read the definition all together. Destroyed or affected by a forceful action. For example, you can say scientists, you can say small seed banks can be easily damaged. 3, the word, global. Global involving the whole world. T-H-E. Right, can you see it well? Good. Again, global refers to involving the whole world. For example, you can say scientists wanted to build a global seed bank that everyone could use. Get it? Number 4, we have the word site. What is site? Site, we refer to a place, right? Okay, example, you can say, a site for animals, a site for people, even like the place that people or animal living. Good. Number 5, the last word is sample. It means a small part taken from a larger group. For example, the seed bank has received over 400,000 samples. Okay, so in the next section, I want you to open your book on page 48. Can you go to page 48, please? Okay, so on page 48, we are going to listen to the VOA news, which I have sent to the homeroom teacher already. So your homeroom teacher, your homeroom teacher already forwarded the file of audio, the file of the listening to you already. So to do this exercise, you have to pause the video for 3 minutes, and you can use the listening file which your homeroom teacher sent to you. Okay? So listen to me. To do this exercise, you have to listen to the news and complete the notes. So we go to track 31, as you can see. Okay, so it means you have to use these words. We have the word island, sample, doors, diseases, and the word damage. To complete each of the blank, we have number 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to complete with all of this, with all of these words. Okay? Well, we still have number 5, the last one. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to do it? If you're ready, please pause the video for 3 minutes. Well, so I think it comes to the time for our checking of the answer. Okay. First is number 1. Plants can get what, everyone? Island, samples, doors, diseases, damaged. Get what? Get diseases. Okay. Number 2, many small seed banks around the world, but easily what? Damaged. Number 3, built in a mountain on earth, blah blah blah, in Norway. What's something that built in Norway? As you recently listened to the listening file already. Did you get the answer? For number 3. What is it? Well, so the answer is island. As you can see here, island. Island. Built in a mountain on or an island in Norway. Number 4, protected by church. What is it, everyone? Church. Doors. Doors. Good. The last one, number 5, samples. Samples. Okay. Did you get the right answer, everyone? Okay, so I will explain you for each part of our exercises. So we go to the first one is about saving plants. So plants can get diseases because plants also have life to live. Plants also need water. Plants also need air to absorb into their body to make their alive, right? So, but one thing that make plants can get diseases because maybe the plants staying in the wrong environment, maybe the plants staying with the hot weather or not enough of the water. So that's why plants can get that disease. Good. Next, scientists want to sell plants. So how can scientists want to sell plants? How can they sell plants? They have to make they have to build we call a seed bank. We can say a global seed bank. As I have told you already about the seed bank is referred to the place that we have to put the plants into the safety into the safe place. Get it? Next, many small seed banks around the world, but easily getting damaged. As we know that in many countries, like in our listening, we have the Philippines, also the country which is also have the seed bank, but actually it got destroyed because of the what? Because of the the strong typhoon as well. It is the natural disaster that can make the seed bank damaged or destroyed. As we also can know about some of the country, like in Iraq or Afghanistan, they also had the seed bank, but actually it were destroyed by the war. Well, so that's why the people in the world, they need to build the seed bank to protect the seed, because some of the type of the seed or type of the plants in the world right now are disappeared because of what? Because of people don't save their life, so it make some of the type of the plants disappeared in the world. So that's why we need to build a seed bank to keep the seed or to keep the diversity of the genes of each plants. Get it? Good. Next, global seed bank. Here we go to global seed bank, which is like that place everyone can use it. If you want to, if you want to get the seed from that global seed bank, you can go over there and then you can collect some of them to plant, to grow. Get it? Built in mountain on an island in Norway. A global seed bank, nowadays they built it in the Norway. Norway, right? Okay, so that global seed bank, was built on the island. Why they build it on the island? Because in island we have the source of the water. In that place it's not so hot. It's just like we have the cool place, the cool temperature for the plants, so can make the plants can living better and easier. Next, protected by a sheet doors. What is sheet doors in here? Sheet door is referred to the barrier to keep the plant safe. Okay. Next, the global seed bank today. The global seed bank today was built in 2008, and it has received more than 400,000 samples of seed. We have we have a different kinds of seed. We have a different kinds of plants. Maybe we have rose. We have jasmine. We have I can say apple tree, strawberry tree. We have a lot of seeds, a different kind of seed. As we can see, there are 400,000 of seed. Okay, so in the world we have many different kinds of plants, kinds of trees, kinds of seeds. Well, good. I think we come to an end of our video lesson for today. So after we finish the video lesson today, you guys can look after each keywords in our unit 11 again by yourself. Also read the definition. But if you want to listen to the to the listening audio again, you guys can play it back again for yourself. Okay. Well, we still have one more exercise, which is about the comprehension. It is about the comprehension section. So in this, we have 3 questions which related to our listening audio. So our listening audio today is about a seed bank, right? So we have 3 questions. Let's listen to me. I will read the first question for you. Number 1, why did scientists want to build global seed bank? Why? So we have 3 different answers. Answer letter A is about because other seed banks were not safe enough. Letter B is because there were no seed banks in the world. C, because they wanted to protect their money. So which one should be the correct answer of question number 1? Again, question number one is why did scientists want to build a global seed bank? Why? They want to save the plant, or they want to save their money, or they want to there were no seed banks in the world. No, for the letter B is not correct, right? Because there are many seed banks in the world, but it's not a global seed bank. Get it? Letter C, because they wanted to protect their money. No, it doesn't talk about the money at all. It's talking about the seed, or the plants, right? So it must be letter A, which is the correct answer. Because other seed banks were not safe enough. As many example or as many evidence in our reading of the in the listening file, there are many seed banks in the Philippines, in the Iraq, in Afghanistan, but they want to make it safe. They want to make it as the global. So the answer is letter A, because other seed banks were not safe enough. We go to number 2. Question number 2 is, why was the site for the seed bank chosen? Do you understand the question? They want to ask you why the site that they chose is suitable for the seed bank. We have 3 different answers. Letter A is it is safe from earthquakes and hot weather. B, it is surrounded by water. C, Norwegian scientists have more knowledge about plants. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter A. Because it is safe from earthquakes and hot weather. That's why the scientists chose the Norway at the island to build the seed bank. Question number 3. How many seeds can the global seed bank hold? Do you understand the question? They want to know about how many seeds that the global seed bank can hold all of that seed. Letter A is 400,000. B is 1 million. C is 45 million. Which one is the correct answer? If letter A, 400,000, it's not talking about a seed, it's talking about a sample, right? It's not the correct answer. Letter B, 1 million. No, it must be letter C, 45 million. It is, according to our reading, they say, the bank was designed to hold 45 million seeds. Get it? Oh, well, so we are exactly come to an end of our video today. So thank you very much for your spending valuable time and pay a lot of attention in our online study. Goodbye. See you in the next video.